Hi friends, I am Mary from Marie Crochet. Today we are making this beautiful crochet lace headband. It's a beginner friendly pattern. And in this video I am also going to teach you how to attach this elastic headband to your crochet lace headband. So stay with me. Crochet chain stitches of multiple 6 and in the end we add 4 more chains. The size which I am making is medium to large, so for this you need to chain stitches 54 and in the end add 4 more chains. So basically the 58 chain stitches in total we need. In round number 2, from hook the second chain we will make one single crochet. In the next we will make one double crochet, and in the next stitch, in the very next stitch, we will make one treble crochet like this. Okay, so almost my one treble crochet is complete. So this is the final look, a tiny triangle. So at this point we will make a picot stitch, for which we need to make 3 chain stitches and then the slip stitch at the top of the treble crochet stitch. Yes, like this. Now again repeat the pattern, chain 3 and slip stitch at the top. Pull the yarn to secure it, like again chain 3, 1 2 3 and the slip stitch at the top like this. So here are 3 picot stitches. Okay, next we need to chain 5, 2 3 4 and this is the 5, and skip the 3 stitches, 1 2 3, and in the 4th one we will do one single crochet. Yeah, like this. So from here we are repeating the pattern actually. Now we will do one double crochet, and in the next stitch we will do one treble crochet. So one single crochet, one double crochet, and now the one treble crochet. Yes, like this. So again we will repeat the pattern of picot stitch, chain 3, slip stitch at the top, again chain 3, slip stitch at the top, and for the third one chain 3 and slip stitch at the top. I will show you the slip stitch. Here are 2 picots, and for third one chain 3 and slip stitch. This is how it looks. So again we will do chain 5, 3 4 5 and skip the 3 chain stitches, and in the 4th one, skip 3 stitches, and in the 4th one we will do single crochet. So basically we are repeating the pattern across till the end. Okay, here I am at the last stitches of the row. So I'll show you how to finish it off. So chain 5 like we were doing. Now we do, it's very simple, not tricky. We just do one single crochet and one double crochet and one treble crochet in the last chain stitch, and yes, like this. And the final we do the picot stitches, like chain 3, slip stitch at the top, chain 3, slip stitch at the top, and for the last picot again chain 3, slip stitch at the top, and and finally pull the yarn and cut it off and weave the ends. See, this is like a simple finishing of the row. So just look at this beautiful lace design. So what you need is to crochet one more lace following the same pattern. Okay friends, so now we just put both the lace together and sew it. There is nothing fancy about it, not at all anything tricky, just simple sewing stitches and joining both the laces together. Alright, my sewing is almost finished. I'm just weaving my ends. So it's almost done. Oh my god, just look at this beautiful lace design. And now I'm going to teach you how to add the elastic band to the headband. It will bring more comfy feeling to your headband. So just let's begin. Okay, we will do 5 single crochets in the elastic band. So let's begin. Here we begin chain 1 and here we start 5 single crochets in the headband. This is also very easy, nothing fancy about nothing fancy about this trick. So 4 and this one is the 5. Let's count 1 2 3 4 and the 5. Okay, again chain 1, turn our work, and again we will do 5 single crochets. 2 3 this one is a 3 4 and the 5th one, and again row 3, chain 1, turn your work and the single crochet. This is very easy. 3, this one 3, and this one is the 5. So here we have completed 5. Just leave a little longer strand of yarn, so yeah, cut it here. See how easy it is. Alright, now we need to do 5 more separate single crochets in the headband. Just like this. Nothing fancy at all, like I have told you earlier. Just again chain 1 and 5 single crochets in the elastic band. Again chain 1, turn your work, 5 single crochets, and for the row 3 again chain 1 and 5 single crochets. Cut the yarn just a little longer strand, leave the yarn strand a little longer, so we need this later for the sewing purpose. I'll tell you when the time will come, okay? So I'll see you when it will finished and completed. Okay, so now we will join the single crochet part with the lace one. Just simple join by sewing both the pieces together. Oh, oopsie, it's a bit hard. Okay, now it's okay. So just sew it, like, see how simple is it. Okay, so now for the other side we will do the same, like just a minute, I tell you. Yes, like this. Just put both the pieces together and sew it nicely. See how simple is it? Okay, alright, just cut off the yarn and look at this beautiful vintage lace headband. I hope you liked this tutorial. Easy, useful, and definitely it's a beginner friendly. So just try it and do let me know, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share your crochet friend Mary. I'll see you in the next tutorial very soon. Until then, bye. Stay blessed.